Step into a world where ordinary garages hide extraordinary creations. Backyard geniuses and fearless tinkerers are building vehicles so bold they seem impossible. From floating bikes to rolling mansions, these DIY wonders are rewriting the rules of travel, showcasing the wildest side of human creativity. Number 11. The rocket-powered bicycle, $5,000. One of the most audacious creations is this bicycle propelled by a small rocket booster. Instead of pedaling hard, the rider triggers a burst of thrust that pushes the bike forward at astonishing speed. $5,000 covered the rocket unit, reinforced frame, and custom braking system with precision engineering. It is a daring experiment that mixes childhood dreams with adult engineering, ultimately delivering raw, breathtaking speed in a small package. Number 10. The backyard helicopter, $55,000. This self-built helicopter stands as a symbol of patience and skill. Using parts from ultralight aircraft and agricultural machinery, the builder designed a rotorcraft capable of lifting one passenger for short flights. The $55,000 budget paid for aviation-grade components and safety features. Seeing it rise above a field evokes the timeless dream of personal flight. Number 9. The wooden supercar, $40,000. In a quiet workshop, a craftsman carved an entire supercar body from solid wood. Every curve and panel was sculpted by hand, then mounted on a custom chassis with a powerful engine. The $40,000 price covers rare hardwoods, intricate craftsmanship, and performance upgrades to handle the weight. The result is a rolling piece of art that turns heads wherever it goes, combining old-world artistry with modern performance. Number 8. The backyard submarine, $60,000. Beneath the surface of a secluded lake moves a tiny submarine built by a retired engineer. With room for 2 passengers, it can dive to moderate depths and stay underwater for several hours. The $60,000 cost includes pressure-resistant materials, a custom oxygen system, and sonar navigation. This creation shows that DIY innovation does not end at land or sky. It reaches into the hidden world beneath the water, opening doors to exploration once reserved for professionals. Number 07. The solar-powered desert buggy, $20,000. Across endless dunes, this buggy runs purely on sunlight. Flexible solar panels cover its frame, feeding a custom battery pack designed to survive extreme heat. At only $20,000, it is one of the more affordable builds, but also one of the most practical. It can travel for hours without refueling and has become a favorite among eco-conscious explorers who want adventure without emissions. This is not just a fun machine, but a glimpse at sustainable travel. Number 6. The floating sports car, $300,000. A high-end roadster reborn as an amphibious marvel. The entire undercarriage was rebuilt into a sealed hull, allowing it to skim across water like a speedboat. Retractable propellers and a water jet propulsion system make it agile and fast. $300,000 covered marine-grade materials, reinforced safety systems, and a dazzling finish that glitters under sunlight. When this car roars off a pier and keeps going into the ocean, onlookers are left speechless. Number 05. The homemade hoverboard, $8,000. A small workshop, a pile of drone parts, and a bold idea produced this hovering board. Instead of wheels, it uses powerful fans to lift its rider a few inches above the ground. The $8,000 build required high-capacity batteries, lightweight composites, and precision controllers. Seeing it glide across a smooth surface feels like stepping into a science fiction film. It proves that even with limited funds, ingenuity can bring futuristic concepts closer to everyday life. Number 4. The rolling mansion, $2 million. This is the legend behind the hook. Commissioned by a billionaire who wanted a moving palace, this massive vehicle stretches like a futuristic bus on highways. Hidden wings unfold to allow short glides, turning it into something between an aircraft and a luxury resort. Inside, marble floors gleam under crystal lighting. A rooftop pool sparkles under the sun, and a glass observation deck gives views no hotel could match. $2 million went into exotic materials, custom engineering, and years of secret development. It is more than a vehicle. It is a statement that no dream is too large to build. Number 3. The Amphibious camper van, $120,000. Imagine crossing a country without ever worrying about bridges or ferries. This camper van drives on highways, then slides onto water, floating effortlessly thanks to a specialized hull and retractable propellers. Inside are solar-powered appliances, a kitchenette, and a sleeping area. The builder invested $120,000 in waterproofing technology and marine-grade materials. It is a road tripper's dream and a floating holiday home at once, expanding the idea of freedom for travelers who crave both land and water. Number 2. The homemade jet car, $75,000. In a suburban garage once filled with old tools and spare tires, a different beast was born. A stripped sports car frame fitted with a retired aircraft engine now screams down deserted runways at breakneck speed. The $75,000 investment covers reinforced steel panels, heat shields, and a custom fuel system. Sparks and heat ripple off the exhaust as it accelerates, sounding more like a fighter jet than a car. Watching it ignite feels like a rocket launch on wheels, a testament to what relentless curiosity can produce when combined with courage. Number 01. The floating bike, $15,000. On a quiet lake early in the morning, a lone rider glides across the water on what appears to be an ordinary bicycle. Beneath the frame, custom pontoons and a hidden electric motor keep the bike afloat and moving silently. The builder spent $15,000 on carbon fiber parts, waterproof electronics, and stabilization systems. What began as a weekend project turned into a sleek watercraft that blends exercise with adventure. Could this be the future of short-distance travel across rivers and bays? The idea feels playful, but also deeply practical. From $5,000 rocket bicycles to multi-million-dollar rolling mansions, each of these creations tells a story of ambition, creativity, and relentless curiosity. Some solve real-world problems like clean energy travel, while others exist purely for the thrill of doing the impossible. Together, they reveal a future where transportation is limited only by imagination and determination. In this hidden world of inventors, the road, the sky, and even the water become canvases for art, engineering, and wonder.